Presentation is always an wow factor. Now this one, look at this. This is the size of my hand, all right? I'm gonna use this today, all right? We're gonna shave our head, but before you have to shave your head, you got a couple of things you need to be aware. Shave your head enough where you could trim it down with this down after, right? So you can't have long hair. This thing's not gonna very well. So make sure you do that. They give you instructions there. Do not wet your head. Just cut it, all right? So this is the first for me because I always wet my head, and this one I'm not. So I'm gonna show you how it works. They give you the little bag in there and everything else, including some extra covers here, the charging station, and a brush to clean it. So that's pretty much it. Now, this thing is very simple. All you gotta do is hold on the button, and that's it. So let's try it on. Fully charged, all right? I like that they showed the whole thing in here. Let's put it to use. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try this thing, all right? So I trimmed it down as much as you can, but I still see some hair there. So hold it down. First time. Oh yeah. I can see why it works so well. Look at this. So I had hair there, and this is dry. You need dry. So make sure your head is dry. Run smoothly in front. Right here, I always miss this little spot here all the time. Oh yeah, I can see why it works so well. Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm not worried about behind the ear all the time. Oh, I still have some hair here. Almost missed it. The only thing I didn't like that the vibration was popping this thing out once in a while. My solution was to put a little piece of tape on the corners, and that's pretty much it. Now, when you're setting it up, there is a level, if you guys can see that. One's a higher one, and it's the same thing here. One's higher than the other one, pops in place, all right? Don't do it the opposite way, or it's gonna keep popping out if you find that problem. Now, this thing, a couple of ways of holding it down this way. I saw myself handling it this way. Dry, it has to be dry. It cannot be wet on this one. So just be for sure that you're aware of that. All right, it cannot be dry. So other than that, it's a pretty good item for on the road. Shaving, it might need a little bit more here, but I started feeling a little bit a burn here, so I'm not gonna force it. I'm gonna actually shave. I like to shave down here with a real razor. So this is not bad for traveling. So if you guys are looking for something for Father's Day, even Christmas, hope you guys enjoy the video.